Welcome back. It's Jeff Trainer, and in today's video I want to talk about setting goals for the month of March 2019. Now, a good man by the name of Benjamin Franklin once said, if you watch the pennies and the dollars will take care of themselves. And what he means by this is if you're keeping track of your pennies, in the future, you're going to make dollars. They're going to add up. And that's what I want to show you in this video on this whiteboard here. Focus on your March 2019 goals, as small as they could be. So in a prior video, I said, even if your goal is to make a nickel in the month, think about this nickel and what it becomes after a while. Let's look at what this nickel becomes after just 20 months of performing the same repetitive actions that result in affiliate sales. Your first month, your goal is going to be a nickel. Then your second month, a dime. Third month, 20 cents, 40 cents, 80 cents, $1.60. Your efforts just keep doubling. And that's why it's so important to be persistent as an affiliate marketer and set monthly goals. For your first 6 months, you might not make much money at all, but then the snowball effect kicks in. It's like a little itty bitty gravel sized snowball on top of the mountain. As that and a squirrel or something kicks it off the mountain. And as it rolls down the hill, it just keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger until it's unstoppable and goes through the lodge. I mean, check this out. After, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. On your 18th month, and you started at a nickel, and you're doubling your efforts every month. You're doubling your income. And that's not hard to do when you're starting with a nickel. At the end of 18 months, you're making $4,153.60 a month. And that comes out to about $50,000 in a year. But if you keep on going and producing that content, producing more links, and keep hammering away at your niche, this is going to go from 4153 to 8200 to 1620, and that's where the big money comes in. Your second and third year of affiliate marketing are huge because you're doubling your efforts every single month, and it just accumulates. And YouTube is a great medium for this because you could do the same thing with your YouTube watches and subscribers. You could watch them just keep going up and up and up. And then I'll show you this in a later video. Your subscriber base just skyrockets. Everything skyrockets starting about in your 6th and 7th month. It just starts snowballing, and pretty soon, you've met your goals and then some. So for right now, it's March 1st, 2019. Set that March goal and set it, low if you haven't made an affiliate sale. Go ahead and set it at a nickel. Down the road, people might say, this is ridiculous. I made 40 cents this month. Big deal. But then in 4 months from that, it's starting to turn into the dollars. Like Benjamin Franklin said, take care of these pennies and the dollars are going to follow. And, they're going to follow big time as time goes on. It's not going to happen overnight. You're not going to be successful overnight. And anybody that offers an affiliate program like this is just selling you smoke. I mean, you're going to get burned. Sure, once in a while somebody tries something and they make a lot of money in a week, but the risk per benefit ratio is so great that 98% of the people are going to fail and 2% are going to make the money. And you don't want those odds. You want the odds in your favor, and the odds are in your favor if you're affiliate marketing and you keep producing content, you keep producing links, and you just focus on monthly goals. And when you hit those goals, there's a satisfaction, even if it is a dime or 20 cents. The satisfaction is, hey, I hit my goals. That means that I could continue to hit goals. So, this keeps you incentivized and to produce more content. And, after a while, you're going to say, holy cow, I'm making $50,000 a year selling other people's products. And I can do it passively and roam around the country if that's what I want to do, or roam around the world. And I'm making this income because of what I did in the past. So basically with affiliate marketing, you can hit any goal. The sky's the limit. There's people out there making millions of dollars a year as affiliate marketers. And I'm not to that goal yet, but I know that if I keep producing content and if I keep producing links, I know that if I keep pounding away and producing content and producing affiliate links, that I am going to hit those high financial goals. But to me, the financial goal is just a byproduct of the feeling of success that I get for hitting goals. I like to hit goals and I like to hit them. And if I don't hit the goals, I back up and trace my steps and say, why didn't I hit that goal? What did I do that made me not hit that goal? And I hold myself accountable. I don't look at other outside sources and say, well, it's because of him or it's because of them, So basically, the lesson today is just to set a goal for March 2019. Even if that goal is I want to make a nickel in affiliate sales. And, hopefully you'll make an affiliate sale and you'll make that nickel. If you're an affiliate for Amazon, that's a relatively easy goal to make because Amazon products are easier to sell. They don't cost as much as some products that you'll find elsewhere to try to sell. Sometimes it's easier to sell lower priced items and sometimes it's not. It's all in the affiliate offer and how you present it. So I hope you received some value off this video. And if you did, please like it. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And hit that bell notification if you haven't done so far, so you're notified of my next video, which might come out tomorrow, the next day, but it'll be soon. So have a good day and focus on your March 2019 goals. This is Jeff Trainer, and have an excellent day.